Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I am now soldering the uh, cord cord of my multi-lister. It's too long, so I shorten it. So I try to reconnect it by soldering. Okay. This is a hot soldering gun already. See, this is solder. This is the helping hand. This must be the connection that I will try to reconnect, because I cut some portion because the this portion here it's too long, it's too long, so I shorten it. So I must have to reconnect it by soldering. To resolder this one, just be sure that the soldering gun is hot, and to test if it's hot. Okay, it's hot. So I'll try to what do you call this, make the connection hotter by placing this soldering gun here. Then I will try to place a solder on that connection. That's it. That connection is done. Okay. Then after that, hold on. I got my hot air gun. The connection is done already, so I must have to place back the insulation. And to place back the insulation, I must have to use this heat gun here. Okay. The solder is finished already, see? So I must have to put an insulation here by placing a what it is, a heat string tubing over here. See, this is a heat string tubing. This heat string tubing, when you try to blow with the hot air gun, it will try to what do you call this? It will be crumpled to a lesser space, so it will try to make the insulation of the one I solder. So okay, this is the heat shrink tubing, so I will try to blow this with an air gun. Okay, it's done. Okay. So after blowing the heat shrink tubing with the heat gun, okay, we made the insulation already of the one we solder. So it's a perfect thing already. Okay. Actually, I shortened this one. I removed some part. Then I try to solder it by using my soldering gun. Then I try to place an insulation over here. So the connection will be as strong as it could be. Okay, that's how we do it in electronics. Okay, that's a hands-on connecting with the soldering gun, then try to make the insulation by using a heat shrink tubing and by using a heat gun. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. That's the way how to connect a soldered connection, then place an insulation back by using a heat shrink tubing. Good morning from Los Angeles.